Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Patreon how to remove cards. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To remove a payment card from Patreon, what you need to do is first head over and open up a browser, and then on the search bar type in patreon.com. Now once the page loads, simply log into your account with the credentials. Now once you are logged into your account, what you need to do is simply tap on the three horizontal bar on the top left corner of the screen, and now once you tap on that, you'll find an option that says settings. Then tap on that. Now once you're inside the settings, on the top bar, what you need to do is simply scroll until you find the payment methods option and then tap on it. Now once you're inside here, now what you need to do is select the payment method that you want to delete, and then next to your card you'll be seeing an option that says select or remove or edit if you need to add a new card first. So simply follow the on-screen prompts to remove your card. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.